Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm coming back again with another wonderful video. So without any further delay, let's dig in and dive into our video. So
lấy hương nàng ca ta lan tơ sớm xì lắc nê sang hai bóng tôi hồng nắng hạt thay ong ô khơi sang phù sang xì tôi
ay ano kami? Si Maling yan. Dear viewers, please don't think that this is a child labor or someone is forcing them to work. It's not like that. So they are just working for their own experience, or we are just working for our own experience, life experience. So we have to experience everything in our life. So whatever we do or whatever we eat, we have to experience. So we are experiencing our own work. So just watch and enjoy, and if you have anything to say, please comment down below. San bin naka mari aje, olivi indi kuri aje. Pere aje, kuri tu pai aje. Moi lagai pisi aje. Iman jutu baca kan ni kamu aje. Thank you so much for watching this video, and the song which I put in this video is sang by one of our famous singer. So I've given that link in my description, so please check out the link and do subscribe his channel. And thank you so much, and see you in next video.